Okay children, so here then same problem by using this greater than cumulative frequency. So for the same problem I am explaining greater than cumulative frequency to find out median. So less than or greater than, or if they will give 2 both, so the median based on n by 2 value only. So that is very important. So same when they are asking greater than, then same like first we have to prepare a table. So but in the table before question we find out less than cumulative frequency. In this we have to find out greater than cumulative frequency. So class interval, then frequency, right, greater than cumulative frequency. So here, right, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then here frequency 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. Then n value 20. Greater than cumulative frequency. See, when we are finding less than cumulative frequency, just we are adding up to bottom, means down. So from lower class intervals to higher class intervals. So up to means from top to bottom we are adding. Then here we have to add, so highest class intervals to lowest, means the bottom to up we should add, so down to up. So here then what we should first, what is the first number? 6. So same like that in the less than cumulative frequency children, same here also, but this reverse we are adding. So same, the first number write as it is 6, then 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 2 20. See, in the less than we are adding like this, greater than we are adding upwards. So here 6, 10, 13, 18, 20. This is greater than cumulative frequency. Then here x comma y, again if you want. Right, what we will get children? So when we are taking greater than cumulative frequency, lower limits we should take. So means this, for 0, 20, 10, 18, 20, 13, 30, 10, 40, 6. So these points we have to plot on the graph. So y-axis, x-axis. This 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right. So in this, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, here 30, 14, 16, 18, 20. So children, after taking this, then 0, for 0, 20, here, then 10, 18, here, then 20, 13, 20, 13, in between 12 and 14, next to 30, 10, 30, 10, here, then 46, 46 here. So the graph you will get like this is greater than cumulative frequency. So then after, same we should find out n by 2 value, 20 by 2, 2 ones are 2 tens are 10. So this 10, then we have to take on the y-axis, then from here with the scale just to draw a line, straight line, then this line is intersecting a greater than cumulative frequency graph here. From here by using scale you draw a perpendicular line to the x-axis. So like, see children, so this is just for example. Now we are not getting exact answer. So this line, perpendicular line intersecting on the x-axis here, then the median is, so just before 30, so median is 29. Then children, in the previous graph we did not write scale, compulsory we have to write scale. So here scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to what is 2 units, right. So here this is greater than cumulative frequency, this is class intervals. So this is children how to find out graph, okay, to find out for the median. So to find the median by using graphical representation, so this is second topic. So when they will ask greater than cumulative frequency. See children, so very carefully, and same problem now we will discuss by using two, means less than cumulative, two frequencies, less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. So see children, this is very important. Right. So this topic we will discuss in the next next class.